GSP brought you Extreme Duty XD Axles to tackle the harsh environments that many vehicle owners encounter. Modifications to lifted vehicles are extremely popular today. Suspension components are changing the geometry of your chassis, and larger tires put more stress on drivetrain components. CV axles are often overlooked in these modifications and become a weak link of the build. To help our customers get maximum performance from their lifted vehicle, GSP has expanded our CV axle offering to introduce our Extended Travel CV Axles Extreme Duty Plus, XDP. When lifting your vehicle's suspension, the angle in which your axle operates is going to change. GSP XDP axles are built for extreme angles. With GSP's XDP axle, you can expect a higher articulation angle, up to 47 degrees, utilizing the high-speed 8-ball joint on both wheel and gearbox side. This extreme capability gives max performance in all travel ranges and improved torque capability. The key feature of the XDP axle is the rolling guide spline bearing center bar. This allows up to 3 inches for more travel than stock OE units for greater suspension travel, taking into account the greater loads and enabling torque from your truck or lifted vehicle. Finished with a durable protective coating to prevent corrosion, allowing your vehicle to perform flawlessly in any road condition. Using thermoplastic polyester elastomer cold-resistant rubber, GSP XDP boots are simply tougher than ever, sealed with an OE-type stepless ear clamps to optimally tighten boots to avoid any leakage. Premium temperature-resistant grease has a wider operating range. This grease maintains viscosity from -13 degrees to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering better abrasion resistance and low friction resistance in all environments. Don't let a factory axle come up short with the demands of a lifted suspension. Check out GSP North America for more information about Extreme Duty Plus axles. Quality-driven performance starts here.